Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Dr. Donna. Welcome to WhatsApp Wednesday. This week, we're going to do another What's Appening. I'm going to show you how I take a tweet and turn it into a graphic using Picsart. I've pressed the plus button in Picsart. Now it's opening my gallery. I'm going to grab the tweet. First thing I do is I use the Tools button. I'm using the crop. And what I like to do is cut off most of the hashtags and get to the top of my profile photo. I like to leave myself enough space because I'm going to add my website at the bottom of the tweet. I'm scrolling over to the Draw button. I'm using my stylus and I'm also using my Galaxy Note 4 phone to do this. I'm going to press white to white out all of the area that I no longer need because it's not going to add to the graphic. And once I finish whiting everything out, I press the check mark in the top right corner. Now it's finished. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select border because I need more space at the top and on the sides. You have two options, outer and inner. I'm going to select white for the outer portion as well, and that's giving me more room. Next, I'm going to go to the text area. This is where I enter my website. I press the check in the right top corner. Now I have the option to expand, and I'm going to move it down and you can see it lining up. Now I'm going to go to the color option where you have color. You can select gradient or you can select texture, and you can see all the different textures that you can use for your text. I'm going to select the photo button to the left of the pink, which will take me to my gallery. And I like to have my font have a little bit of Dr. Donna even inside of the font. So I will select a photo that has color in it. And as you can see, now the website has my face and my color. I also like to add a shadow. So I'm going to the shadow button. I'm going to select a color and I want it to match what I have. So I'll select this peach. And then I want to position the shadow so that it's going down underneath the text. Finally, I go to the T-stroke button and I give it a little outline, and I'm going to add peach because that's the background. Now this button makes it bigger or more outline or less outline, and that is enough for me. I'm going to move this up just slightly and line it up, and then I'm going to press the right in the top right corner, the check mark. That seals the deal. Now I'm going to go back to the Tools button, crop it again, so that there's less space at the bottom right top corner. I'm going to select the check button, and then finally at the bottom I'm just going to add two borders. On the inner border I'm going to select a nice peach or pink color to match, and then on the outer border I'm going to make it white. You have the option to have outside, which I'm currently on. You can also make it go inside. If you select outside, you also can make the radius of the interior more round, as you can see, or you can just make it square. Once you've done that, you select the checkbox in the right top corner, and then you select the arrow so that you can save it. I select save. I want it to go to my gallery, and now I'm finished. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. I'm Dr. Donna. Send me your apps because I'm always looking to expand my app repertoire. I'll catch you guys next week. Adios.